Hi guys, I'm here with another unboxing, short unboxing. This time I'm going to open an Amazon Basics RFID travel neck stash. Let's open the box. So there's only the bag in the box and nothing else. Wow, it's very light. It's made of good material. I won't say it's waterproof, but maybe it's water repellent instead. There is a pocket here, which is a clear pocket, crystal clear pocket, so you can see what is inside behind it. To the side here, there is a zipped pocket. Let's see if I can place my cell phone in it. This is a Sony Xperia XZ1 compact with a case. Oh yeah, it's I can place my cell phone inside this bag. Although my cell phone is quite small, it's just 4.6 inch, but it's a bit bigger now because of the case. It's still getting place in it. I don't think that any bigger cell phone will get place inside this pocket. Here there is a neck holder, neck strap. You can adjust it quite easy. It's quite long actually. The main pocket is not zipped, which is a shame. I would prefer a zipped main pocket, but it's not. This one can easily be opened. Well, it's, it depends on how you like it. It can be opened easily, but then some would prefer a zipped pocket. This pocket here is short. This is as far as I can go down. So maybe it's just for visit cards or some addresses or something like that. Apart from that, there is another pocket here. So apart from the main pocket, there is another pocket above it. I still can fit myself on it. Even bigger phones can be placed here, I guess. As you see, there is some place left to the side and even to the top. So a bit longer and wider phones can be placed here. The main pocket is even bigger, as you can see. Apart from this bag here, there is another bag to the side here. So one to the right, one to the left. This one is zipped too, and these two have nothing to the other one to do. nothing to do to the other bag to the side. So you have two side bags, one to the right, one to the left, and they are separated from each other by a tiny layer. And it's quite durable material inside too, so it can hold a little bit. The same here, I can place my phone here and here, so when I have my phone here, then it's a little bit less place left to the other side pocket. Maybe good for credit card and things like that, or passport. Yeah, I'm not sure if a passport can get enough space here now that I have my cell phone here. So it's a bit soft to the back. It's not the same material as it is to the front. It's softer, and it's not even water repellent, I guess. So Amazon Basics neck bag, a traveler bag. Thank you for watching.